Hey guys, so looking at this example, the first thing I would need to do is isolate my absolute value expression. So when I do that, when I subtract 9 from both sides, I am left with the absolute value of x minus 17 is equal to negative 8. Okay, so because absolute value is distance and distance has to be positive, this negative answer does not make sense. There's no number that I could have for x that is going to give me an absolute value of a negative number. So because of that, my answer would be no solution. Okay, now I can verify that on the graphing calculator by typing in my equation and y equals. So you can check your solution by typing in the equation as long as it's set equal to 0, which is really the same thing as having this set equal to y. So I find absolute value by typing in math, airing over, and absolute value is option 1. So this is the absolute value of x minus 17. Okay, there's my plus 9, but again, in order for this to be set to 0, I would have to subtract 1 from both sides. So I can graph that. Okay, and solutions are my x-intercepts, and I can see that this absolute value graph is not touching the x-intercept at all, which means that yes, this is a no solution equation. There are no solutions.